हाय फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी लोग कैसे हैं। मैं हूँ आशा सोमनाथ फ्रॉम बेंगलुरु। आज मैं एक बैंगलोर का डिफरेंट तरीका मसाला अक्की रोटी रेसिपी है। ये खाने को बहुत लाजवाब है। बैंगलोर का मोस्ट पॉपुलर रेसिपी है। बनाने को बहुत आसान है, बहुत टेस्टी है एंड सभी लोग पसंद करती है। बैंगलोर में मैंडेटरी रेसिपी है। साउथ इंडिया का कर्नाटका में बहुत फेमस रेसिपी है एंड एक एक घर में थोड़ा अलग अलग स्टाइल है करने को। मेरा स्टाइल में आज करती हूँ। तो लेट अस सी द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स जरूरत है। बट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू थैंक अमूल टीम फॉर गिविंग मी एन अपॉर्चुनिटी in their great platform and I am very happy to be a part of Amul. Friends, let us see the ingredients, what all we need. First of all, this is the main ingredient. This is chawal ka atta. Akki roti means, akki means chawal. So, चावल का रोटी आज बनाते हूँ। ये है चावल का आटा, थोड़ा गेहूं का आटा एंड जीरा. दिस इज जीरा एंड दिस इज द मिक्सचर ऑफ कड़ी पत्ता एंड कोरिएंडर, धनिया पत्ता and small pieces I have cut into small pieces green chili, and this is onion, and this is cucumber, grated cucumber, and this is grated carrot. and ये रेसिपी बहुत हेल्दी भी होती है because we are using so many veggies. So first of all मैं mixing bowl, first of all I am taking one mixing bowl and I'm mixing सभी ingredients. First of all I'm mixing चावल का आटा and थोड़ा बाइंडिंग होने को, थोड़ा लिटिल नॉट बहुत, थोड़ा गेहूं का आटा ऐड करती है. ओनली लिटिल यू हैव टू ऐड एंड लिटिल जीरा. जीरा इज वेरी गुड फॉर डाइजेशन. क्यूमिन सीड्स आई एम एडिंग एंड पूरा ऑनियन. ये बहुत इजी है. Some people they will use hot water, but I am mixing cold water and we can do within 10 minutes. This is small pieces of green chilies. If you are giving for children, you can skip this. And I am adding this coriander and kadi patta. This is very good for health. You can put as much ever as you can. And I am adding cucumber, grated cucumber. Cucumber is also very good for health. And this is grated carrot. And now I am mixing and I am putting in my hand. Usually I will put in my hand salt, namak accordingly. First of all I am mixing in my hand because some ingredients will be having water in their thing. So let us see and add the water accordingly. So now I'll mix I'll start mixing the water little accordingly. पानी देखने से ऐड करो. The dough should not be very hard, it should be little soft only and not very liquidy consistence. It should be in medium, not very hard or not very soft. It should be in this consistency. See, we have added cold water, no hot water, no this thing process, nothing. Just within 10 minutes you can do this. खाने को बहुत लाजवाब होती है, बहुत टेस्टी होती है, बहुत easy है, बहुत आसान है and बहुत healthy है because we are adding. And if you want, you can add still more veggies like this thing, bell pepper, anything, whatever you want. Not anything, little selected veggies you can add. So the dough should be in this consistency. Wait. One minute, I am washing my hands. See, I am greasing my tawa like this. We have to grease this, and we have to take one big dough. Some people they will prepare in butter paper or banana leaf. I am doing directly. I am preparing directly on the tawa. If you eat one, it's more than enough. Your stomach will be filled. So just I am preparing in my hand. You can use butter paper. Some people they'll use butter paper or banana leaf. It is accordingly. But in my house I usually use my hand. This is Bangalore and Mysore style. Some people will do in rice also, boiled rice also. But this is चावल का आटा. खाने को बहुत लाजवाब होती है. Now, sorry, I am washing my hands. Now I am switching on the gas. Lesson number 1, switching on the gas, and I am keeping it for heat. Both the sides we have to cook both the sides. I am putting oil. एंड आफ्टरवर्ड्स ऊपर से मैं अमूल का बटर और घी डालती हूँ. बहुत टेस्टी होती है. अमूल का घी और बटर डालने के बाद स्टिल मोर टेस्ट विल बी एनहांस्ड. इन माय हाउस यूजुअली विल यूज अमूल का बिना हम नहीं यूज करती. ये बहुत आसान प्रोडक्ट है, बहुत गुड प्रोडक्ट है. इट हैज मेंटेन्ड इट्स क्वालिटी एज इट्स नेम इटसेल्फ शोज. अमूल्या, इट इज डिराइव्ड. It has maintained its quality. So let us wait for this to cook. We have to wait for 5 or 10 minutes, friends. This should be cooked well. As Amul means, it is derived from the word. Derived from the word Amulya. It is priceless. So we can't value the Amul product. It has maintained its quality. In my house, always we use all the Amul products. सभी लोग का पसंद रेसिपी है हमारा कर्नाटका में, स्पेशली बैंगलोर स्टाइल. एंड सभी लोग पसंद करते हैं. इवन दोज पीपल हु डू नॉट ईट राइस रेसिपीज विल ईट दिस रेसिपी. बहुत टेस्टी रेसिपी है, बहुत डिलीशियस है, बहुत मजेदार रेसिपी है. मोस्ट पॉपुलर इन कर्नाटका. So if we need very soft, if we are giving to old people, we have to flip it over. But if we want crispy or if we are giving it to children, we have to wait little. And this thing it should turn into light golden brown. So it is almost getting cooked, and this should turn little light golden brown. See, so easily it is coming out. Very easily it is coming out. No labor work at all. If you mix the dough in a soft way, it will come out very well, and your hands will not also pain. So I have to wait for 2 minutes. See, both आसान से I am flipping it. See both. मुंह में पानी आती है. So once more little oil I am adding this side, and afterwards we are adding and we are serving with what? Amul ghee and Amul butter. Even for ragi roti, Amul butter will be very nice. So I am switching on. In this heat only it will get cooked. Making ready for serving. Okay, it's almost done 100%. मैं निकालती हूँ, मैं प्लेटिंग मैं निकालती हूँ. सी बहुत आसान से आया हमारा आपकी रोटी. चावल को रोटी है. 1 minute I am serving. I am serving. This is called chutney pudi. In Bangalore, this is very famous. It is served with idlis also. It is called as idli pudi also, and the chutney pudi also. It's very tasty. बहुत लाजवाब होती है खाने को. And now I am serving it. I am garnishing with Amul ghee. I am adding ऊपर से Amul ghee ऐड करती. Amul ghee ऐड करती. And Amul butter also. I am adding Amul butter. ओके, हमारा डिश बहुत बढ़िया से आया है. देखो फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज 1 minute. देखो फ्रेंड्स, हमारा आपकी रोटी इज रेडी विथ चटनी पुड़ी एंड रेड चटनी. रेड चटनी इज डन विथ कोकोनट and red chilies, red dry chilies, badge ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ, as you call Kashmiri red chili, we call it badge ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ. It's almost same, and I've added that, and this is roasted chana, and I've prepared chutney. So बहुत लाजवाब है हमारा recipe. Please try this recipe, and thank you friends, and thank you Amul. Namaste.